Okay. Friday, 21st of February, year of our Lord, 2020. It is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 1 degree centigrade. There is snow on the ground. There is no snow on the roads. It is dry. And I'm going for a ride. I have some errands to run. I could take the car, which is directly in front of me, but I don't want to. We're going to take the bike. The sun is quite warm. The air is cold. So everything should be fine. As long as I remember that anywhere where there is shade from the sun, there could be icy patches and black ice. This is not unusual for me. I have done this before. So tally ho, and off we jolly well go. See? Be careful of that sort of thing. There was a puddle on the road. And I'm still riding with my visor open. The screen in front of me keeps most of the wind off my face, so I'm perfectly comfortable. So I'm going to take my turns nice and easy because there's water everywhere. Run up from the snow, the melting snow. Yep, the temperature has actually risen a little bit. We're at 32 degrees now, which is the freezing point of water. 0 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. But I am perfectly comfortable. I'm not cold. When I come to a stop everywhere, make sure I don't stand in any puddles of water, because they may be frozen. Directly ahead of me there is a shine on the road. That could be standing water or it could be black ice. So these things you have to take into consideration in this weather. If I look to my left over there, I see the snow standing at the close to the stop stripe by the traffic lights. That could be a very dodgy sort of thing, so you have to take this all into account. But with my seat heater and my handlebar heaters on, I feel okay. My back of my neck's a little cold. Avoid all the puddles. Coming into shadow like that, or this, you have to be very careful. Going to cross a bridge. If there had been standing water on this bridge, it would have been a sheet of ice. The only part of me that feels cold at the moment is it's the back of my neck. The reason I keep stopping talking is that I'm looking ahead, considering my options where I stop. As you see here, ice and water directly in front of me. So when I turn left here, I have to do this very, very carefully. So I'll go straight ahead until I'm on dry road, and then I will start my turn, just like that.